family. Welcome viewers at home. In today's story, let's solve this subtraction problem. 50 minus 24. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 0 minus 4. But I can't do it because 0 is smaller than 4. So we must borrow. You go to the 5 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. Now we have 10 minus 4, which equals 6. Write 6 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Write 2 in the tens place. So 50 minus 24 equals 26. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos.